Oh hi, it's me again. So, in the previous video I showed everything about the gameplay of Lonely Planets, and since I spent like maybe half of my time working on the level editor, I wanted to show the level editor because it's like really what makes the game really cool. So I'm just going to launch it, and okay. So we started the tutorial as usual, but there's a catch. You're just gonna hit F12 and bam, we're in edit mode. So in edit mode we can just like, the keys are useless. We have to use like WASD to move around the map. And so what we see are these like white stuff here, which are actually like invisible platforms. And we can actually add other invisible platforms if we want. Let's go in drop mode. Let's just add a few platforms here, and then we can switch back to play mode, and then we actually have like a secret stairway, which is actually like pretty cool. And yeah. So we can adjust pretty much everything about the level. We can adjust the start position, so we can make them start from right here, actually, if we want. So then we'll switch back to play mode, and then if we want to restart the level, it's backspace, and then ooh, that's how it works. But that's not really interesting because it's a level that's already made. So let's try and take like a big ass level, and just let's open an empty level first. Okay, awesome. So we're in an empty level and there's nothing here. So let's try and load some decor. So yep. So we're obviously not going to have a sign here because it's pretty useless. So let's open level 3. Awesome. So now I have shit that I can actually drop, and there we go. So that's a pretty big. That's level 3. So it's very big. So first thing I'm going to do is actually define the start point, and I'm going to place it here. We're going to do something fun for once. We're going to start on the tree, and we're going to add transparent small platforms over the tree, which should make us walk on the tree, basically. So, okay, awesome. We can walk on the tree. That's pretty cool. Now let's say that we want to actually be able to fall down. We have to move like there, and then we have to add platforms, maybe bigger ones, so it takes less time. Yep. So platforms everywhere. And I actually had to do all this by hand, but it's pretty quick. It's like, ooh. You can do it like precisely or really grow like wherever you want. Okay, so that works for us, and then we can actually fall down on the ground and walk on the ground. Note that it might like seem like everything's done, but it's not. I can still like fall way up. So awesome. And so the sad thing about this kind of volcano thingy here is that it's supposed to actually expel fumes, but it doesn't. So let's add something. We're in drop mode. All we need to do is to find a smoke source. Let's add one right here, and now it expels smoke. Ouch. Yeah, that hurts. So you can actually add smoke sources everywhere. If you want to like decide that the tree expels smoke from its roots, you can do that. And that I'm probably going to die if I try going here, which yeah, I'm dead. But it's no biggie because my changes are still right here. So yeah, that's pretty. I wouldn't go there if I were you, but you can still try. What else? We can have death spots, something that we added last minute. Let's decide that. Yep, gotten by my own medicine. So let's add a few platforms here. So different types of platforms, because we don't want to be able to climb on everything. So actually here I'm not going to add these, but these, so that we cannot climb by ourselves. We cannot only climb up to here. And let's try this. Yep. So we cannot go up there without the help of something, which might very well be a baddie. So we can add like baddie swarms. We can actually define the size of the swarm that we want, and if it's a big swarm, there are going to be lots of baddies, and if it's a small swarm, then only a few baddies. So there we go. But you have to restart the level to show, yeah, so to spawn the baddies. So now we have 3 baddies, and they're going to be useful to climb back out of this hole here. So baddie here, and we can go there. Awesome. So now let's decide that this shroom is actually like very evil. What can we do? We can, yeah, death spell. It smells like death. But before we do that, let's just like save the level. So we can hit F2 and choose death spell, and that's great. I'm also going to say that we don't need any actual kills to win. We're also going to define a custom end point, which is going to be like maybe right here. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't need to make sense. It's alright. And I think that's it. So, oh yeah, we can also like just messages. Yeah, like very creative at 4:47 in the morning. And the win message. Okay, and we can actually like type the name of the next level, which we're going to do here. We're going to decide that the next level is Destroy 1, and just verify that the start point is okay. Oops, this is really slow. Weird. Where is the start point? Oh yeah, fumes. Oh gosh, it's a lot of fumes. Okay, start point right there. It's okay, and it's a good level. Let's save it. Let's go into play mode. Let's load something silly like story 1, and you can play story 1. So that works very well, and we can also load again our level that we just made, and we can start playing it. So we're in the tree and everything's fine, and then go down there and ooh, that probably hurts. Yep, it does. And we can go down there and ooh, let's go there. What's there? Oh, that hurts. So let's try this again. So I gotta go there, but I go ooh, shroom is like bad for me, and then I can go there. Ooh, nope. Let's try again. Okay, this time it's for real. Yep, fuck a doodle-doo, it works. And then loads the next level, which is story 1, and that's how we did the whole game. And that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. Let's load our play level again. So one very neat thing about the whole concept of the game is that you can get baddies, which are here, for example. We're going to add other baddies. Yep, big swarm here. That's what I'm talking about. And you can actually get them to be swallowed by vacuums. So we can add like a few vacuums here, and this is going to look pretty cool. Just so you know. Oh yeah, and they all disappear in the air. Yay! All cumed away. And the count up there is actually increasing. Ooh, that's pretty cool. And I think that's pretty much it. Yep. One more thing to show about the level editor is that now that we've edited the level, we can actually look it up here. So it's called Death Spell, and we can see what's in there. And it's actually JSON. It's very readable, so I can open it like text editor here, and I can copy paste it into some sort of credifier and whatever. Yep, print is slow. And process. Yep. So you can see the end message is saved here, and position, name, and then every object is like this. This is platform. This is all types of objects are like really simple JSON, and it's just funny because we actually have no way to adjust stuff like position of decor. So what we had to do is actually go in the file and edit this one because the artist had displaced the source SVG file, and so it was all it was not in sync with the blocks that I had in the editor. So last minute, like maybe 20 minutes before the deadline, I had to actually adjust this value and say, okay, this is probably 22. No, this is 12. It's like very stressful, but overall nice experience. And another nice things that happens when you have these is that if you go to GitHub, and you can actually have the diffs. If you edit the level, then you can actually see what changed. Well, not really, because it's all one line, but if it was predified, you could see changes. And I think that's about it for the level editor. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.